And when I kind of dig into it, I tend to kind of go upstream when I see that the messaging is not clear. I kind of go upstream and I see that, okay, maybe the business strategy isn't clear. They don't have a detailed ICP. They haven't done the positioning and the differentiation steps. So I kind of see that, and so I always feel like, everything kind of flows from clarity upstream. And I kind of wanted to just get your thoughts on that. I mean, before you just kind of go wild and implement AI. I mean, you've got to kind of get the fundamentals nailed, right? I mean, you've got to have some systems that are already working. And the way I
Yeah,
look at it is AI is almost kind of pouring gasoline on the fire. But if you don't have
yeah,
a
AI.
fire, boom, you don't have a fire. You got to light the fire first, right?
AI is an assistant. That's it. AI doesn't do the job and doesn't replace. AI is there to assist you perform better.
Yeah.
And I think with AI, and if you are in a branding strategy, it's amazing for you because you can do multivariate testing, you can do A/B testing
Hmm.
like a crazy,
Hmm.
and you can do 10 times better than what you used to do 10 years ago, maybe
Yeah.
100 times better. So
Yeah.
AI can be measured at every level of your marketing strategy. It's not only yeah, we talk about lead pipeline, we talk about MQL,
Hmm.
but everything sync as a puzzle.
Hmm. Yeah.
uh, like for instance, I can do a super good job in leveraging AI, but I'm doing a marketing campaign right now, and I can think about the messaging is not going to be important, and I'm going to talk about the product.
Hmm.
However, if you think about the leader, they don't care about the tools. They care about profit, growth, and revenue. So
Right.
if I talk about, hey, I have an amazing tools, ROI tools. No, the messaging should be around.
Yeah.
I can help you grow, perform, and generate the revenue for the next 3 years. So you can move from 1 billion to 5 billion. It's an example, but it's so the
Yeah, yeah,
messaging
it's
is
more, it's
still
more, more
super
about
important.
but it's more about, you're saying it's more about the result than the tool, so to speak. I mean, you have to focus a
Yes.
little bit more on what result you can get and what efficiency you can get out of AI versus just focusing on, because I know we get, I'm on LinkedIn and, everybody wants to talk about the newest, greatest and latest and greatest AI tool. But it's not always the way to look at it. It's better to focus more on the process and the results.
No,
Yeah.
and if you talk about customer experience and you come back to your CEO and you say, I'm going to cut your customer support ticket by 70% and increase customer satisfactions by 25%.
Hmm.
Does he care about the tools? No. He's going to ask you how you're going to do it. And
Hmm.
this is where you say, well, I'm going to use AI to be connected, to engage with the tone and the voice of the ticket, to
Hmm.
understand the customer, to connect the customer with the answers, and also to understand what needs to be escalated right away and not, etc., etc. So this is where AI becomes your enabler to
Hmm.
perform.